Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 23 BMW i4 police sedan. As you can see, it's casting by Matchbox and new for 2025. It looks like it's a German police vehicle. Not policy, I think it's called Policia. I'm not sure. But it looks like a nice mainline casting. So let's open it up and see. So let's start from the front. Up front, you got nice detailed headlamp, you got a detailed grille, you also got BMW badge and the blue and yellow paint for the police, I guess. We also got a small lip spoiler up front. It's an electric car, so the grille is basically that just to show purposes, I guess, not for cooling. You got typical BMW hood with slight bulge in the middle. Pretty sure there's not an engine, so maybe just for design purposes. You also got both the windshield wipers and mirrors, which is again good. And you can see those marker lamps on the top too, the emergency lamps. Looks good. Now let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you can see the police. I might be pronouncing the wrong. You got that. You got the paint scheme for the police going on. It's more like a coupe, so it's not like a proper sedan. You can see it's like a coupe-ish roofline. Still 4 doors, so you got both the doors, door handles, wheels. We have seen these wheels on so many different Matchbox. I think they look all right here. They don't look bad. They don't look something out of the world. But they're all right. The glass is tinted, even the front and side, so it's tinted, and the B-pillar is done in the same glass rather than metal. Now let's move to the back. So on the back, it does miss out on details on tail lamp. They did a red one, but it's not like, I don't know if it's misplaced or it's just on the side. There's no detail in the back, not the BMW badge, number plate, nothing. It's just blank, which is kind of disappointing because Matchbox does such a good job on details. But I understand they can only do so many passes on a mainline vehicle on the stickers. Also got a shark fin antenna here. And obviously no exhaust tips because it's an electric car. So you got a lower bumper finish in black though. This is how it looks from the passenger side. I'm wondering where the charge door is. Charge port door. I didn't see it anywhere. Maybe they missed it. This is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, should you get it? Even without the detail in the back? I think yes, you should. It looks really nice from the front, it looks really nice from the side. So you should get one, and it's new. And will go with really good with the older BMW police car Matchbox did a few years ago. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.